Hi all, this is a quick video to show you how to add a line to indicate when an important time has started, like a shutdown, right? So what you have here is there's a graph, right? Let me do a graph first for the widget so, right? And then you want to insert a line, right, saying that from maybe 7th of January, that is when the lockdown has started, just for example. So what you do is actually have an extra column, lockdown, right, and then in the 7th of January row, just put a 1, right? So what you do is you highlight the table, you insert recommended charts, right? Go to all charts, go to combo. So your widget so should be a line, right? And then your lockdown, just select maybe a bar chart, right? Yeah, just a bar chart. And then tick on secondary axis, very important. Yeah, so now you can see your lockdown, right, has started on 7th of January, but the graph here is not really nice. The bar graph is not really nice. What you do is click on the secondary axis value, right, then go to axis options, just put your maximum as 1, so the graph will go all the way up. See, all the way up. Now your secondary axis is ugly, you want to remove it. So what you do is you go to labels, you tick on none, and then it disappears. To get your axis back, yeah, just click on the here on the left side, right side of the chart, and then you get your axis options back. You can actually, yeah, put a label again. Yeah, and then you can change your chart color to maybe black. Right. Yeah, so I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, please give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.